Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will study class 4 Maths All the Way book, chapter number 2, Roman numerals. So let's begin. Chapter 2, Roman numerals. Given below is the chart showing Hindu Arabic numeral and corresponding Roman numerals. So Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals. So in Hindu Arabic comes our normal 1, and in Roman numerals comes our Roman numbers. So 1 is written as I, 2 is written as double I, 3 is written as triple I, and 4 is written as IV. 5 is written as 5. So as you can see, in 1, 2 and 3 there are 1 I, then 2 I's, then 3 I. But in 4 there is I and V. There is I and V because V is equivalent to 5 and here is 4. So if we put a 1 before a 5, we will get 4. It works like if there is a greater Roman numeral like 5 and then there is a smaller Roman numeral on the left side of it, then like 1, then it will be minus from our V. So here is V and here is I. So V is 5 and then I is before V, that means it is 1, and if we subtract we get 4. So that means IV is equals to 4. 6 is written as VI. If we have any number, any Roman numeral at our right hand side, so we add it. It is like VI. That means V is 5 and I is 1. We add it, we get 6. 7 is V double I. 8 is V triple I. 9 is IX. And 10 is X. As you can see here also, 9 is written as IX and 10 is written as X. So X is equals to 10, and if we put a I before X, then we minus 1 from 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 is equals to IX. Next is Hindu Arabic Roman numerals. 11 is known as XI. So it is same, X plus I. So X is 10 and I is 1, and because I is at the right side of 10, we will add. So it will become 11. 12 is X double I, 13 is X triple I, 14 is XIV, that means, and in 13 I forgot to put another I. Number 14, it is XIV, that means 10 plus 1 plus 5, and here it becomes 14. 15 is called XV. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and in 14 X means 10 and there is I and V. As we can see here, I is after 10 but before V. So we will write it as 10 or X plus I minus V. That means 10 plus I minus V, that means 10 minus, and 5 minus 1 is 4, so 10 plus 4 is 14. Next is 16. 16 XVI, 17 XVI double I, 18 XVI triple I, 19 XIX, 20 XX. Hindu Arabic and Roman numerals. 21 is known as x x I. That means x is 10 plus 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 is 21. 22 double x double I. 23 double x triple I. 24 double x I and v. 25 double x v. 26 double x vi. 27 double x v double I. 28 double x v triple I. 29 double x ix. 30 triple x. Now let's move on to exercise 2.1. Number 1 is write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for the following. That means Hindu-Arabic numeral. That means the question is given in Roman numeral. Roman numeral. So let's begin. First question is VI. VI. So V is 5 and I is at the right hand side. That means 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So VI in Hindu-Arabic numeral is written as 6. B is XI. X is equals to 10 and I is 1. That means 11. C is XVI. X is 10 plus V is 5 plus I is 1. That means 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. Next is D. Double XI. I will erase this rough over here. Now double XI. X means 10, so there are two x's. That means there is 20 plus 1 is equals to 21. Double X V double I. Double X means 20, V means 5 and double I is means 2. So 20 plus 5 25 plus 2 is 27. Next is XIV. X is 10 plus I is 1, but I is before V, so we will minus 1 with 5. So that means 1 minus 5 is 4 and 10 plus 4 is 14. Next is double XIV. That means 24. Double XV double I. That means 27. Triple XIX. Triple X means 30. IX means 9. Because X is 10 but before it there is I. That means minus 1, so it will become 9 is equals to 39. Next question is double X. Double X means 20. Double X and V means double X is 20 plus 5 because V is 5, so that means 20 plus 5 25. L V triple I. That means 8. Next question is write the Roman numerals for the following. Roman numerals is written in the question. That means the questions will be given in the Hindu, Arabic system or numeral. First question is 26. That means 20 can be written as double X and 6 is written as V and I. That means double X VI. Double X VI. B is 13. 10 is X. 10 is X and 3. That means triple I. So x triple I is our answer. C is 21. So 20 is double x and 1 is I. That means 21 is equals to double x I. D is 38. That means triple x and V triple I for 8. Triple x is 30 and 8 is written as V triple I. That means 30 plus 8 is 38. So triple x V triple I. E is 29. E is 29. So double x and ix. F is 19. Xix. G is 16. XVI. H is 15. XV. I is 36. Triple X VI. J 35. Triple X V. K is 21. Double X I. L is 19. That means XIX. And one more important thing is that there is like I. This is called 3. Then why can't we put 4 i's to make it 4? There is a rule in Roman number that if there is more than 3 of the same kind of letters together, then it is wrong. That means 4 i's are wrong. But we can write it as triple I, then for example V and then I. Then there are 4 i's, but in between there is V. So that means 3, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 36. Next question is fill in the blanks using less than, greater than or equals to. First question is XVI and then fill in the blanks, then 17. We need to put which is greater. XVI. X means 10 plus V means 5 plus I means 1. That means 16. 10 plus 5 is 15 and plus 1 is 16. So that means 17 is greater. B is XXIV and 21. So double X is 20, IV is 4. That means 24. So B is here double X IV is greater. Next is triple X IX. I will erase this rough work which I have done. Now triple X IX and then 36. So triple X means 30 plus IX means 9 is equals to 39. So 39 is greater than 36. C is or D is XIV and 19. X means 10 plus I means 1 plus V means 5. But here it is I before V. That means here will be 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. So 19 is greater. Now I will erase this rough work once again. Next question is E. X V I and 11. X means 10, V double I means 7. That means X V double I is greater because 10 plus 7 is 17 and then the other number is 11. Next is IX and 9. IX is 9 and then here is 9. So this is equal. Next is XIX and 19. XIX. X means 10 and IX means 19. IX means 9. Therefore it is equals to 19. So XIX is equal to 19. H is x triple I and 21. Double x is 20 plus triple I is 23. So here will be double x triple I is greater. Now is fill in the blanks to make the statement true. For example, our first question is in the example section is Vi. Vi is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So in examples, A was the example. Now from B we have to solve it ourselves. So Ix is equals to fill in the blanks minus 1 is equals to 9. So 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Next is Xiv is equals to 10 plus 5 minus 1 is equals to. Here 5 minus 1 is in bracket, and we have studied about BODMAS, which means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first comes the bracket, and here is the bracket. So first we'll solve this bracket. 5 minus 1 is 4. That means 10 plus 4. So it will be here 14. Next is D. Xix is equals to 10 plus, and in the bracket there is fill the blanks minus 1 is equals to a number. So Xix. So this means this is 19 because x is 10 and ix is 9. That means 19. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 19. Next is number E. Double xiv is equals to 10 plus 10 fill in the blanks minus fill in the blanks is equals to. So double x means 20 and iv means 4. That means 10 plus 10, 5 minus 1 is equals to 24. Next question is F. Double x ix. That means xx is 20 and ix is 9. 29. So here will be 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equals to 29. Next question is G. Triple x triple I. That means 30 plus 3 is 33. So here will be 30 plus 3 is equals to 33. Our final question is double x ix is equals to 20 plus 10 minus 1. So here will be 29. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.